What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing about how to get a custom crosshair for the Xbox Series X. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you guys have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I will be providing all the necessary information for the crosshair on the Xbox. So, if you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So I have made a complete guide how you guys can do it. So first thing first is that use a gaming monitor or TV. Many monitor TV have a built-in crosshair overlay feature in their settings. Use that feature. And then physical overlay. Place a small dot or cross made from a transparent sticker or tape on your screen center. In-game setting, check if the game allows crosshair customization in a setting. Otherwise, just simply go with the physical overlay or using a gaming unit. And then third-party devices like tools like Crosshair can add custom crosshairs but may violate Xbox terms. So keep it simple and choose what works best for you. If you find this video helpful, so don't be greedy, just simply go ahead and click the subscribe button on the bottom right side. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.